Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making a Midwest Mixer original called the Green Flash. We're going to start off with 2 dashes of grapefruit bitters, if I can get it to come out. Goodness gracious. 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, preferably strained.
No. Gracious. It's much more exciting when it's not.
No. 0.25 ounces of honey syrup. 0.25 ounces of Velvet Falernum. Half an ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. And then 2 ounces of gin. And lastly, just a pinch of salt, just because I don't have any saline.
Oh, there you go.
Anyway.
I'll call you the salt queen. Salty queen. Oh gosh. Salt baby. Anyways.
We're going to add ice to our shaker tin. And then we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the shaker tin is ice cold in your hands. She's back.
Aggressive. Sheesh. That is so aggressive. I don't think I could shake that hard.
I know.
Yeah, mine always come out short.
Always.
Yeah, they do.
Anywho, we are going to double strain into our coupe glass. And then for our garnish, we're going to express a lime peel. And give it a little rub all the way around. And then we're just going to insert and kind of let it peel. We're going to let it curl over the edge. And there we have our Green Flash cocktail. All right, I'm going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to also rate it. 1, I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning.
Shh. Okay. Thank you.
Shh. Okay. All right. Overall, it just smells very limey. It's definitely more on the lime forward side of things, but not necessarily in a bad way by any means. I do taste a little bit of the honey. I get a tiny bit of the elderflower. Not a lot though. I was expecting that to come through a little bit more just because elderflower is a very distinct flavor. Yeah, everything balances together. It's definitely, for me, it's limey and a little herbally, but very solid cocktail. Very easy to drink. It's not heavy forward on the liquor, so it's super easy to drink for me. I'm going to give this one a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 for me. And I'm not going to change my mind this time.
Good.
4 out of 5. But, of course, I want to see what you guys think. So the ingredients will be listed down below. That way you guys can build the cocktail right at home. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.